How to use Canva video editor. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is open up your Canva website or application, whatever you're using, and then you can obviously make a new video. So I can press video right here and then obviously select a template. But what I'm going to do is just going to open up an existing one right now. Now, obviously you can edit it however you want, but let's say you want to include some music. Then you're going to see on top left, you're going to see elements. Then you can just hover over that and browse categories. You're going to see a lot of options. You're going to see audio as one of them. And then you're going to see popular music that you're going to be able to add. Now, a lot of these are like Canva Pro ones or anything like that. But you can find some ones that are going to be free as well. They might just be harder to go ahead and find. And if you want, you can even generate music too. But you got to describe what you're looking for. So, or I can just type in music like so, and then you're going to see a lot. Like this one's completely free. So all I got to go ahead and do is just go over to that music tab, go ahead and take it. And as you can see, it's now on my timeline. And yeah, it's as simple as that.